Okay, this is the training video for the Mojito. This is a classic cocktail, so it's one of those recipes that you have to kind of nail every time perfectly, or people will know, and you'll get cocktails sent back. So we are going to start with our Boston shaker. We will add about 5 to 6 mint leaves. Okay, we're going to try our best to save one of the tops for a garnish, because that's always pretty. We're going to put some rum. There we go, and 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. We're going to take our muddler and we're going to give about 6 firm presses into the mint leaves. So we're not trying to like murder these things, we're just trying to press the oils out, and we definitely don't want to tear the leaves very much. So okay, that's done there. Now we take half a lime and we squeeze it into our cocktail and we press in there. Okay, here we go, fill it up with ice. Scoops right there. Okay, into our cup. And then we fill with a press. That is when you hit Sprite and soda at the same time. Okay, give it one more good tumble just to combine everything. Kind of even out the mint leaves so they're not all at the top. There we go. Remember our pretty guy here. We just fluff him out, and there we go. Mojito.